If your Xbox Series X is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Power cycle the console. Turn off your Xbox Series X by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until it shuts down. Unplug the power cable from the back of the console and wait for at least 10 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on again. Step 2. Check for system updates. Once your console is powered on, navigate to the settings menu, or to System, then Updates, and check if there are any available updates for your console. If there are updates, download and install them. Step 3. Clear the cache. To clear the cache, power off your console and unplug it again. After waiting for 10 seconds, hold the power button for 10 seconds while it's unplugged. This will clear the cache and can help resolve loading issues. Step 4. Reset console settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting your console. Go to Settings, then System, and select Console Info. Choose the option to reset console, and select either Reset and keep my games and apps or Reset and remove everything, depending on your preference. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the previous steps work, it may be time to contact Xbox support for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps or help with repairs if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to address the loading screen issue on your Xbox Series X. If the problem continues, don't hesitate to seek professional help.